Hey guys, we're going to do a quick overview on the Auto-Nozzle, how it works, and how to hook it up to your RinseKit PRO. Okay, so in each kit, you're going to get an Auto-Nozzle, a charging cord, a nozzle mount, a suction cup mount, and a towel clip. We also give you 4 different types of base mounts, so you can attach these to curved surfaces or flat surfaces. And then there's also screws in here if you wanted to screw these down permanently to attach them. Okay, so there's 3 different ways you can use your Auto-Nozzle system. The first way is you can attach it directly to your RinseKit PRO. So if you open up the Pro, go ahead and turn the power on and shut off the valve right here for your quick disconnect. Pull off the nozzle. You can snap the Auto-Nozzle directly into the quick connect and then just turn the valve back on. Shut the lid. And when you put your hands in front of the nozzle, it's automatically going to turn on and then it'll shut off when you pull your hands away. Okay, so the second way you can use your Auto-Nozzle is to take the Auto-Nozzle mount and basically slide the Auto-Nozzle inside of it like that, tighten down the little clamps on top, and then go ahead and take your quick connect, attach your RinseKit PRO to the back of it, turn on the valve, and then we actually took one of the mounts and mounted it to the side of the RinseKit here. You can use these mounts on any surface, the side of a vehicle or anything like that, but we just stuck it here. And then go ahead and snap the Auto-Nozzle in on the side, and if you really want to get fancy, you can put one on the other side and basically use the towel clip and attach the towel to this side. So now I have a complete mobile hand washing station. So the third way you can use the Auto-Nozzle is to use the suction cup mount, and you can basically attach the suction cup mount to any smooth surface like the back of your truck or a car window or anything like that. Thanks for checking out our Auto-Nozzle kit. Hopefully this was helpful for you guys. Check out our other shower products at RinseKit.com.